Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a product to your shopping cart. So what I've done, I brought you over to the page where I've been showing you how to set up the shopping cart, and what I'll do is I'll add this third video at the bottom so you'll be able to look at that and then add products to your own cart. If you're new here and this first time you're looking at the video, then you can go to this link here and you can have a look at our hosting accounts, and also we're offering a 30-day free trial. And if you're here and you would like to just see how a shopping cart works, then you can go over to the free website creating tool by clicking this link. So as you can see, I've just added two different products, and what I'm going to do is add the third product here. And to do that, what you'll need to do is go and click on shopping cart and then go to products, and then this is where you can see your products. You can add as many products as you like by just clicking this link. So what we're going to do is go to the third product, so we need to name the product. So I could actually put just to make it a little bit different, and then we need to add a description here. You can also click these three and you could add images where you can do anything on this description here. Just to save time, I've just written this one, so what we'll do is copy that, click on here, paste that in there, so that's done. So now we need to add an image. So if I click on here, and what I've done is I've uploaded the images just to save time. So, and how you would do that, all you would do is just click this upload from files, which will come off your computer, upload them into here, and then what you can do, you can then add them to your shopping cart. So the ones that I've picked, there's this one here, so I'll add that. Click there again. And then we've got that one there, and then click a third one, which is that one there. So that's all the images. So, and now we've got to add a price. So just there we add 555. It's an expensive bird. So that's the price there, and then that's included. We'll select the main category. You can add the weight of the product if you wish, but I'll just take that out. And we'll make this 3. You can also add stock keeping units as well, which you can put in there, or a barcode. There's only one, but you can click these up and down depending on how many products you've got. If it's a downloaded product, then again you just upload it as a file. You can actually search for other related products as well and add them there. And then I'm going to make this product available to view and purchase for your client. So if I click save, and there you go, that's actually added the crafted whittle nuthatch. So if I come out of that and then refresh, and there you go. So that's the product I've added with the price. If you click on it, that then takes you to, tells you about the product, and then also you can click on here and see the images. There's all the writing, there's a price. If we go to add to cart, this is your next page, so your customer will fill all the details in here. This is all correct. You can actually add a promo code, which I can just show you. You also, of course, can add a comment as well. I've got it set up as PayPal. They agree to the terms and conditions. Click check out, and then the shopping cart will process the order. If we just go back to the shopping cart and we go to configurations, and if we go to products, and let's say we just click on this product here, there's the promo code, so you click on there, so you can click on there and then you can set this up here. And then also when you've sold an item, if you come into your shopping cart and click on customers, then your customers will be in here. And also when a product is purchased, as I've shown you with the previous video, just click on there, and if we go to configuration again, your emails are here and these emails are set up. But I've actually done a video showing you about this down below, so I'll just refresh that, and then like I say, if you scroll down you'll see these videos here, and what I'll do, I'll add this video that you're watching now down here so you can actually add your own products. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.